Hello, welcome. This is BlockchainBloom, the blockchain indicator. I'm at Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we have crazy tax proposal from Joe Biden. We're talking about the 44.6% capital gain tax and the 25% tax on unrealized gains. Then I also going to talk about that Samourai Wallet Mixer co-founders have been arrested. Also, another thing is that Blackrock's Bitcoin Spot ETF daily inflow hits $0 for the first time. And also, we have US SEC expected to deny Spot Ethereum ETF in May. We have the date when the Bitcoin Spot ETF and Ethereum Spot ETF going to start the trading in Hong Kong. And many others. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, today we see some correction, not big one, but some correction on the market. Mostly alts, but Bitcoin is down 2.7%, Ethereum is down 3%. When we're looking at Wormhole, that's the leader today with 9% in the top 100. Then these have Theta Fuel with 6% up and Pepe 5%. Among the losers, you have Jupiter 12% down, Nervous Network 11%, and Immutable X about 11% down. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, well, nothing major is happening. So we still in this range, still doing sideways movements. We haven't touched, this line, which was holding us pretty well, for a while here. We still can see that this could be a potential bull flag, but a lot of things happened which made the market bearish, to be honest with you, for short term when the news hit. And the very first one I definitely have to talk about is the Biden's new proposal about crazy high capital gain tax and big tax on unrealized gains. So, well, Biden made his proposal, which is all about 44.6% capital gain tax. This is the highest in history, right? And then we have the proposal for 25% tax on unrealized gains, actually for high net worth individuals. And look at this one here. This is, the highest capital, gain tax rate in 100 years in the United States. And you can see how high this could bring it up. Extremely, extremely high. And, if you just think about the 25% tax on unrealized gains, what does it mean? Basically, you make, for example, profit on Bitcoin. And then at the end of the year, you have to pay 25%, even if you haven't realized it, didn't take profit. And it could, go down maybe straight in January. So here, he's talking all about, compounding. And it's compounding annually, taking 25% off every dollar of potential increase before it can grow. The compounding interest, which is really, they're saying, the eighth wonder of the world. It could be really, really bad. And many investors' reaction was that if this is going to happen, they're going to leave the United States. Because to pay that big amount in taxes, it's simply crazy. It just doesn't make it worth it to take risk. If you are an investor, invest in stocks, crypto, whatever, you name it, and then you start to pay that amount on unrealized, capital. Okay. Anyway, yeah. And then we have this from Joe Biden. Joe Biden, who I don't know. Listen to this video. Seriously, I really think that this guy is lost, but I guess I'm not the only one. Listen to this one.
Imagine what we can do next. 4 more years. Pause.
4 more years. 4 more years. 4 more years.
Damn it! Who typed a question mark on the teleprompter? For the last time, anything you put on that prompter Burgundy will read.
Than the percentage of the men who do so. End of quote. Repeat the line.
Seriously, guys, he's kind of lost, and he's making these proposals. I know it's not him, it's the board and, you know, all the, you know, advisors around him and so on and so forth, but he's the one who is announcing it. But seriously, it's, what is this? This is actually a joke. But anyway, if this whole thing would go through, that's crazy gains, and it's probably very bad for the economy as well. Yeah, could you hear this? He just said he reading out whatever is on the teleprompter. If it's pause, if it's a repeat the line, if it's quote, whatever. Okay, and the next topic. Okay, the next topic, this is also a kind of bad news in the way that Samourai Wallet Mixer co-founders have been arrested. So basically, the United States is totally, you know, their policy is totally against crypto, what they're doing, and they have the controlled centralized system. If anything goes against it or actually it's not helping it, they go after it, and crypto is definitely on the menu. And when we're looking at this news here, you know, the co-founders of cryptocurrency Mixer, Samourai Wallet, have been arrested on charges of money laundering brought by the United States Justice Department and other agencies. And you know, these mixers, at one point I do see the why it's problematic. It's problematic because you kind of using track if somebody's using, you know, crypto for bad things. On the other hand, if you're looking at the mixer, just think about it. You know, go to a country and you pay with your crypto, for instance, and they can track back your wallet. And they can actually see clearly that, hey, that guy who just, you know, paid me now here in the shop, for example, then he has a tons of money. So you could be a victim of some crime in the future if they're coming after you, saying, because we do know you have a lot of money. We can see how much Bitcoin we have. So you have. And just think about it. And if they put this through the mixer, then, you know, it would be impossible for them to track it back. And you know, so everything is both, you know, two sides. Put it this way, you can use crypto for good things and bad things, just like what you can do with fiat money and so on and so forth. And yeah, but the fact that these guys, the authorities coming after many crypto people in the United States, it really doesn't have the development there. Right. Okay, next topic. It's all about that Blackrock finally had the first day with zero inflow. So I just talked about it in yesterday's video that actually we have here IBIT, and when we're looking at the list of the longest daily inflow streaks, actually they made it in the top 10 with 71 days. But now it's over. It's over because they had, you know, yesterday, here you can see it on the 24th of April, zero, basically zero, and with this very nice 71 days are over. Did I say 71 before? I don't know. So anyway, you got it, 71, right? Yes, so the whole thing, it's a little bit, you know, slowed down, but it doesn't mean it's over totally. We just had the very first day when it comes to BlackRock. You know, when we have here the others, you know, it's also not a big hype around that. Out of the 11 US registered Bitcoin ETFs, Fidelity, Wise, Origin Bitcoin Fund, and ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF were the only two record inflows of 5.6 million and 4.2 million. That's it. All the others having no inflows right now. So this was also, but yeah, it's also when you're looking at Biden's proposal, and everything belongs to together, kind of. And yeah, so this was also what happened. And next one is all about 1 second. Yeah, US SEC expected to deny Spot Ethereum ETFs in Okay, so we had the approval of Bitcoin Spot ETF on the 10th of January. The next big thing they're looking for is Ethereum Spot ETF. And at the beginning of the year, they were saying May could be the date, but now it looks like that probably it won't be. And it doesn't mean that it will not come, but it's rather pushed towards the end of the year or maybe next year, which is, actually okay from my side because, we have this hype around this Bitcoin Spot ETF. And when this kind of slowing down or dying or whatever, then it could be the next one. But yeah. So now it's more likely that it will be denied in May. But we have Hong Kong. And, the approval happened there not just for Bitcoin Spot ETF, but also for Ethereum Spot ETF. And now we have the official date of trading, and it's going to happen on the 30th of April. So actually, in a couple of days' time, we're going to see what's going to happen with this. Right. Okay. And let's keep going. One more. We have here an opportunity for retail stores who actually would like to take some of their profit in Bitcoin. Not profit. Let's put about when they receive money through the day because they made some sales, and part of it, because of now the new thing for Square and Cash App, it can automatically convert it into Bitcoin. But I'm going to show you in a second. So this is what I'm talking about. So some Square users can now convert their dollars to Bitcoin via Cash App, and Bitcoin conversions will charge, this is the name of the tool, a flat 1% fee to automatically convert a portion of merchants' revenue into Bitcoin. So it gives retail stores the ability to automatically convert a portion of their daily sales into Bitcoin, and basically Square users, with a dedicated Cash App, accounted program to receive 1 to 10% of their store's revenues, which will then be converted on their behalf into Bitcoin. So this could be one way to do Bitcoin DCA. What do you think? It's a cool thing? Like it? Not? You can let me know in the comment section. And guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, simply hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button if you like it. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.